guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to be participating in another challenge. This is a Trash to Treasure challenge, and I love these. The host of the challenge is Heidi Sonboul, and she has chosen her co-host as the Blondie Next Door. The whole idea of the challenge is to find something on the cheap, and I chose to find my item at a thrift store. Actually, I found it a long time ago, and I've just been waiting for such a challenge as this. And make it over into something that I would be proud to give as a gift for the Christmas season. So let me show you what I found at the thrift store. You may have remember, if you watch me all the time, that I hauled this at a thrift store for $1. Now, this was probably cute in the day, but it's not really my style at all. And I thought, what a great little item for $1 to make over into something really cute. So would you like to know what I'm gonna make? I've been into reindeer lately, and I'm gonna pop up a little picture and show you something I found on Pinterest that I want to duplicate. So lately I've been drawn to reindeer or even deer, and they're pretty hot right now. If you look on Pinterest, there's all kinds of reindeer or deer crafts. So the first thing that I did was I cleaned it up good, and I was surprised at how much grime there was on it. Next, I'm going to get rid of this wire. So it's just wrapped around some hardware here pretty easily. I think I can handle it with my hands. The wire was actually taped onto the board. So I removed all the tape, and now I'm just going to pull those wires off, and then we can get started with the project. I may have underestimated my skills. I might need some tools. Up there, it's coming. One down, one to go. Okay, got the wire off, so I'll save that for possibly something else. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to give the whole front a coat of black paint. I'm going to be doing a distressed look. You may have seen me do this before. I'm going to put a coat of black paint on, let it completely dry, and then I'm going to come back in with a white coat of paint. So you've seen me do that numerous times, and you guys know how to paint. I'll show you in between coats what it looks like, and then we'll show you it after I put the white coat on. So hang tight and let me get this painted. I have my first coat of paint done, black, and it's completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and put a white coat over it, so I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. I'm all done painting the black coat and then the white coat over it, and this is what it looks like. It's got that distressed look. Now this surface was kind of hard to paint on. It's not a real wood, I don't think. It's just like a press board. So I kind of had to fool around with it a little bit. And there is, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but there's a little bit of red showing through from the laundry letters, and I kind of like it. At first I wanted to cover it up, but I thought it's a Christmas craft, so I'm okay with that little bit of red, and it kind of looks like a little bit of blush pink almost. So next thing I'm going to do is lay out my letters, do a little measuring, and then I'll show you how it's laid out. So I have this little stencil thing that's really cool. I've already punched out some of the letters that I'm going to need, and I've laid out, obviously some of the letters will be duplicated, so I just laid out at least one letter in each line to represent the spacing, except for the last line I ran out of any letters. I guess I could just lay one there. So I'm going to go ahead and trace these letters out, and then I'll probably highlight them with a black Sharpie and then start painting. So I'm so excited. It's going to be so cool. It's probably going to be hard for you to see, but I have all my letters laid out, and I've started from the bottom up. I've started highlighting them with black marker. So I'm going to continue with that and get started painting, and I'll let you see it after I'm done painting. So guys, I thought I would check in with you and show you how everything's coming. And I've got a lot of painting done. And I'm on the last one, which is Rudolph. So I didn't want to bore you with showing you how to paint, how I paint the whole thing, but I thought I'd go ahead and just do a couple letters and show you how helpful it is if you outline, ooh, paint booger, if you outline the letters and marker, then it's real easy to fill in. And I've got this real thin paintbrush, so it's very simple, and I'm almost done. And as you can see, I'm gonna do the O in Rudolph in red for a little tiny Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer nod to that. So I'll check back with you shortly when I'm done. Here's the reveal, guys. I'm all done. I am loving Rudolph's little red nose. And I love this font that I used. It's very imperfect, and I think it just adds to the charm. Also, you can see how I have that distressed look showing through with the black showing through the white, and I just love that. So let me know what you think of my sign, and I also want to know if any of you can name all the reindeers without looking. So tell me in the comments if you can. Well, you guys, it's late and it's 1/4 midnight, and once again I have not been able to stop crafting until it's done. So it's done. This was so much fun participating in this Trash to Treasure. I really enjoyed it, and that's kind of how I was brought up. We made do with what we had. We didn't go out and buy anything special. So I think that fostered the creativity in me. So thanks, Dad. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Please be sure to check out both of the hosts' channels, and also check out the playlist, which I will list below. Please stay tuned because I have a lot of fun videos coming up between now and Christmas. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.